Happy morning, dear children. Welcome back to your science class. Dear children, as we all know that we were learning about our lesson number 3, housing and clothing. Today we will be doing the part 2 of this lesson, where we will learn about a good house. Dear children, हम घर पर रहते हैं, right? So this is our duty to keep our house neat and tidy so that we all are healthy, है ना? अगर हमारा घर dirty होगा, we may fall sick, right? So today we will see that what a house should be like so that हम उसे एक good house बोल सके. Okay? Let us learn about it. A good house should have all the things we need to make ourselves safe and comfortable. हम safely and comfortably रह पाएं, उसके लिए हमें हमारे हाउस में सारी important चीज़ें available होनी चाहिए. A good house should have the following features. Now we will learn about what a good house should have, what all important things we should keep in our house to make it a good house. Let us learn about it point wise. Point number 1. It should be well ventilated with windows and doors. It should have enough sunlight and fresh air. Dear children, हमारे घर पे एयर का प्रॉपर वेंटिलेशन होना चाहिए ताकि हमें हमेशा फ्रेश एयर मिले. एंड अगर डोर्स एंड विंडोज़ अच्छे होंगे और ज़्यादा होंगे तो हमें प्रॉपर सनलाइट भी मिलेगा, है ना? एंड सनलाइट किल्स जर्म्स एंड कीप्स आवर रूम ड्राई. वो जर्म्स को किल कर देते हैं या फिर भगा देती है. So sunlight is very important. Clean and fresh air keeps us healthy. और fresh air, clean air हमें healthy and strong बना देता है, right? Let us move on to our next point. The windows and doors should have proper wire netting so that the germs, the insects like mosquito and houseflies, वो हमारे घर में enter नहीं कर पाए और हमारे घर में सिर्फ air which is clean and which is fresh, सिर्फ वही and the sunlight must enter. Okay, so wire netting should always be on our doors and windows. This keeps flies and mosquitoes away, but allows air and sunlight to enter. Next point. It should have proper drainage system so that dirty water जो है वो हमारे घर से चला जाए. It should have a proper drainage system to carry dirty water away from our house. The drains carrying water from kitchen and bathroom should be properly covered to keep mosquitoes away. जिन ड्रेन्स से खराब पानी ड्रेन होकर घर से बाहर जाता है, उन ड्रेन्स को हमें हमेशा प्रॉपर्ली कवर रखना चाहिए ताकि वहाँ पर मस्किटोज या और इंसेक्ट्स ना आए. उससे हमारा घर जो है वो क्लीन रहेगा. ओके, नेक्स्ट पॉइंट. द फ्लोर ऑफ द किचन एंड बाथरूम should be sloped so that it will allow the water to flow out easily. अगर फ्लोर स्लोप्ड होगा तो पानी वहाँ पर लॉक नहीं होगा, it will go away, right? The floor should be cleaned daily और हमें फर्श को भी रोज साफ करना चाहिए so that हमारा घर नीट एंड टाइडी लगे. It should have open spaces like veranda, courtyard, balconies. Okay dear children, हमारे घर में proper balconies और आंगन होना चाहिए, right? So that clean air that will come in and we will get proper sunlight also. Apart from this, children can play in the veranda or courtyard, right? Veranda and balconies let in fresh, clean air and provide a lot of space for children to play. It should have many plants around. हमें घर पे बहुत सारे plants जो हैं वो रखने चाहिए and उन्हें regularly पानी भी देना चाहिए. Plants clean the air and make the surroundings beautiful. वो हमारे surroundings को beautiful बनाते हैं and हमें clean, fresh air provide करते हैं. Right dear children? So here we are done with our today's topic, that is a good house. Now it is time for our homework. Write any 3 points on a good house in your notebook. आपको अपने notebook में 3 points लिखने हैं on a good house. Okay? You can write it in your own words or you can refer the textbook also. We will meet next time. Till then, stay safe at your house and keep your house neat and tidy. Okay, dear children? God bless you all.